So I am tutor for RBCS, and I'm going to create a separate calendar in my calendar for them. And that way I can share their calendar with all of their classes and all of their assignment dates, accessible to them through their college email account. So go to Add Calendar, create a blank calendar, name it, give it a color, choose an icon, and add it to my calendars, save. When we close this window, it appears here. Let's go to our first class, communications, for an hour, 10 o'clock on Tuesday. So a new event, calendar, RBCS. Here's where I would put the Zoom link. Repeats every week until the 2nd of June. Save. So I've added all of my retail business customer service classes into their timetable. It's overlaid on mine, so if I untick my calendar, it's just theirs, or if I don't want to see theirs at all, I can just remove it that way. Another little tip as well is I'm putting in the college dates for the holidays as well. So the first midterm break is in October on the 25th. I like to stick in a little emoji at the beginning for holidays, and I get that from emojicopy.com, where you just type in what you'd like the picture to be. And if I want the pumpkin, I just click on pumpkin down here, and then I press copy, and it's copied to my clipboard that I can paste it into here. The other thing is it starts on the 25th, but it ends, you have to go to custom and show your custom date that way. So it ends on the 29th. And I would recommend doing all day for your holidays. That way it appears at the top of the page if I just get rid of mine. And remember, when you're deleting, you can delete just this event in the holidays. Obviously they'll have no classes then. So that's just a little tip I would recommend. So you can see here, when the student actually clicks once on the class, the Zoom link will appear here. So I've put my own Zoom link in for spreadsheets, because they have me for spreadsheets, so they can just have it straight there. You can also put the room in as well in this area if you want to. And remember to do your repeat, make it a series, so that you don't have to do it every week, that it just automatically puts it in every week for you. If you accidentally make an event in your calendar and not their calendar, it's easy to change. Just go into edit, and then you can flip it into RCBS. I like to stick a little assignment icon before their event so that they know it's a separate event. And also with assignments, I like to make them all day events so that they appear up at the top. So I switched to month view, and you can see at a glance their calendar or their timetable and all of their work placement weeks, their midterm break, their days off, their Easter break, and their assignment dates that are due as well. So their assignment dates appear like this, all have the same icon. And they know that it's an assignment, so it's kind of handy that way. If you want to share this calendar, then you just go to the 3 dots and you can share it going in this way.